How to delete your account from Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll be showing you the procedure to delete your account from Snapchat. To delete your account, you want to first open the Snapchat application, log in, then click the Bitmoji icon from the top left corner of your screen. Click the gear icon from the top right, and when you are taken to this field, what you would actually do is scroll down to the bottom and you have these delete account section under my account. So you just need to click that options, and this is going to take you to their web page. So what here you need to do is you need to make sure to go ahead and confirm it. So first thing, you have to log in, and then with that being said, you have to give a reason for deleting your account, all that stuff, and you need to confirm it by typing in your password once again, and you will be receiving a notification stating that your account will be deactivated for 30 days, and only after 30 days your account will be deleted. So this is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.